We are in Elk River, Idaho today to see the annual fireworks display. We can't come here without getting the famous huckleberry ice cream. Here you go, kid. Alright, let's go outside.
No, don't grab it.
Then we're going to go exploring and do a little geocaching. Well, we took a bit of a drive to come to the summit of Elk Butte at 5,800 feet above sea level. Normally there's a gate that's closed about 2 miles from the summit, but today it was open, so we actually just drove the whole way. We came up because there's an awesome 3,000 foot view over the town of Elk River, and there's a geocache that I've always been meaning to find. So let's explore a little bit.
Can I go see those people on the other side?
There's an old fire tower here, but there's now no access to any of the decks. So a couple of years ago this stairway was usable, and I got some photos from up there. Let's look out over at the view. See those big peaks off in the distance? That's the Mallard Larkins.
That's where we drew?
No, but there's some really cool hiking out there.
Can we hike up there? Dad, can we hike up there?
I'll take you when you're older. There it is. Hey Clara, look! There we go. Got my name on the log, and this log is part of the original log because we have in here, there we go, some logs from 2004. What an awesome view for a geocache. Alright, we found that geocache up at the top of Elk Butte, and there's another one along the road on the way down. We'll try and find it, because I've been after these caches for years, just finally now getting around to them.
It's over here!
Clara, come look at the columbine.
Columbines can light up! Columbines can light up!
So we're looking for a stump, and there's all sorts of stumps. The coordinates put us over there, but came to this stump, and hey, there's a geocache.
Is there toys?
Oh, there's water in it. That's great. Okay, that was wet and gross, but we got our names on the log, container's back, the mosquitoes are bad, so we're gonna get out of here. Well, it's time for the main event, the reason we're here in Elk River today, which is their annual fireworks special, Thunder in the Mountains. Right now people are setting off their own fireworks, and we're waiting for the official fireworks to start.